Hello, thanks for tuning in to Mint Quality Videography. Today we have the Q7 Beexcellent wireless headset. The headset is very easy to unbox and it includes a charger, an audio jack, and the ability to be recharged. There is a built-in microphone and there are buttons which allow you to increase or decrease the volume. There's also Bluetooth connectivity, it seems. After connecting the headphones by pressing the power button, it connects to the phone relatively easily, actually very easily, within a few seconds, and the sound quality is incredible. The microphone quality is remarkable as well, as I've recorded this audio using the headphones themselves, and it's very good for the price and the size. The headphones can be adjusted and they can fold very easily. I would recommend these headphones to anyone that wants to record short videos or long videos or do a discussion online. So that's my summary of the Beexcellent headphones. I'll give them a 5 out of 5. They're very lightweight, easy to connect, and come with a ton of accessories. So I would highly recommend these. Thanks for viewing Mint Quality Videography. The headsets are also very stylish, comfortable, and easy to put on. Thank you so much for viewing Mint Quality Videography. Have a nice day.